We do definitely front with plie first. 1, with plie 2, round around 3, back arabesque on 4, plie 5, Adagio 6, plie 7, and fix on 8. Okay? So we do our side exactly same. 1, with plie 2, ground round around back 3, plie on 4, read with Adagio 5, plie on 6, 7, and 8. Okay? After this, we do definitely to the side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Definitely to the side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Chassé 1, round 2, big 4, 3 and 4. Attitude turn 5 and 6. Pas de bourrée. Fixed position. Chassé. Just conduce. Passé, plie, ground round. No, too fast. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, let's do a Giselle. Ready? And break. Passé, plie, round, and plie. Get ready, really hold, and plie, and turn to face, and our side, passé, and plie, round, arabesque, plie, attitude hold, and plie, face, okay? And then definitely to the side, look away from your line. Breathe, down, our side, to the side, breathe, and down. Chassé, round, pose, and fourth, hold. Attitude turn, a long way, pas de bourrée, chassé with